Hey everybody, William Miller, National Brand Manager with DRV Luxury Suites, and I am here with Sean James. Just want to come to you guys real quick. There's been a lot of feedback we've been getting about this Elite package. So if you would just make it real simple for everybody that's looking at DRV, what is the Elite package?
Oh, easy. Basically in the past we had an Elite Suite and then we had the Mobile Suite.
Okay.
A lot of customers, a lot of dealers were kind of confused between the two. Not knowing that the Mobile Suite and the Elite Suite were built on the same exact platform, they offer the same exact floor plans, same exact construction. So to make it a little bit easier this year, what we decided to do was we came up with what's called an Elite Suite package. In that package, basically, we took your fiberglass roof, that being your upgraded paint, your fiberglass fender skirts, quartz countertops, power MCD roller shades. We took all that and put it into a package on our Mobile Suite. So now a customer has a choice of, building a Mobile Suite or building a Mobile Suite with an Elite Suite package.
Is the Elite Suite package going to be available for every floor plan?
Yes, sir. That's where the confusion came from.
Okay.
A lot of customers and a lot of dealers weren't hip to the idea of, an Elite Suite and a Mobile Suite are built on the same exact platform, same exact construction. So every Mobile Suite floor plan will do the Elite Suite package on that floor plan.
Alright, so if all of you are taking a look to learn a little bit more about DRV and you have interest in our Elite package, find out more information by going to drvsuites.com, or you can give us a call at
260-562-1075.